English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 5. Responses to an apology. Want to grab a drink tonight? How would you reply? What would a native say? I'll pass. I'll pass. Want to hang out this weekend? What's a more natural way to decline? What would people usually say? Maybe next time. Maybe next time. Let's go see a movie. What would friends say? What do people actually say? I can't make it. I can't make it. Want to grab lunch? How could you keep it short? How would a native put it? I'm good. I'm good. Want to go shopping later? What would you say here? What's the natural response? Maybe another day. Maybe another day. Want to take a trip together? What's the most common way to decline? In everyday conversation? Not this time. Not this time. Let's play a game. What's a natural way to decline? How would a native answer? Maybe later. Maybe later. Can you come today? What if it's casual? What do people usually say? I'm kind of busy. I'm kind of busy. Are you free tomorrow? What's a natural one-liner? What would you say in English? I have plans. I have plans. Let's go to a cafe. Here's another common reply. What would you say? I'll pass this time. I'll pass this time. Let's take a picture. What's a short reply? How would a native respond? I'd rather not. I'd rather not. Let's head out now. How can you decline politely? What do people actually say? Maybe next time. Maybe next time. Want to go to the event? What's a friendly way to decline? How would you say it? I'd love to, but I can't. I'd love to, but I can't. Can you help me for a minute? Ready for one more? What's a native-like reply? Not right now. Not right now. Can you come again tomorrow? What's a great way to finish? Ready for the last one? Next time for sure. Next time for sure. Maybe another day. Maybe another day. Not this time. Not this time. Maybe later. Maybe later. I'm kind of busy. I'm kind of busy. I have plans. I have plans. I'll pass this time. I'll pass this time. I'd rather not. I'd rather not. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. I'd love to, but I can't. I'd love to, but I can't. Not right now. Not right now. Next time for sure. Next time for sure. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.